We got our bumper all welded up and ground down, and it turned out pretty slick. Now the next thing we're gonna do is add us some dimpled holes, or lightning holes as some people call them. The first step to that process is laying out your pattern. We're gonna use this masking tape as our canvas. The next thing we're gonna do is draw us a line right through here to help lay out our holes for our dimples. And to do that, I'm gonna use the upper side of the bumper as a guide. Our dimple dies work great as a template to mark where we want our most inner hole and outer hole. Then we can use the straight edge to mark the tops of the holes. Now we need to draw some circles, and to do that, we're going to use one of these pattern makers. Our hole is going to be 1 7/16 inches, so now all we have to do is line this up with the marks that we made, draw on our circles. Now we're wanting to space our holes 1 1/8 inches apart, so I'm going to use the 1 1/8 inch hole, make a mark, and move on. We'll center punch where we need to drill, make our pilot holes. Then we can use the step bit to finish them off. This process is relatively simple. What we're going to be using is a set of dies to make our dimple holes. And depending on how you stack them onto your panel is going to determine whether you flare them up or flare them down. We want ours to recess in. We'll just put that piece on the top, line this one up on the bottom, and then put it under here and smash them together. You want to apply just enough pressure to completely compress the dies together. Not so much that you distort or mar the bumper. That gaudy chrome bumper is what we started with. This is what we've got now. Those few hours we spent gave this Buick an attitude adjustment that it desperately needed.